ball he was dancing last night?
I thought he was trying to go for a leap. Want to go?
Trying to hold
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not quite there.
Not Sunday.
You sure about that?
Just get his hand back. I've got his head back across his chin.
Well, that's where you're wrong. It was a steak sandwich.
Oh, was it?
Yep. Yeah, not bad.
I'm going to go and get one. Come for a walk and get something to eat.
Okay.
Say hello, Nick.
Hello, Nick.
So enthusiastic. Say hello to the camera, Kev.
No.
This is going up on YouTube, mate.
Yeah, that'd be
No, actually, it's with you. It's going up on RedTube. You're already a regular on there anyway, so. The big Daz. The big razzle dazzle.
Don't do that when they keep coming back, you're going to be in trouble.